video. Welcome back to the channel. I am your girl, Christina Lynn, and I am so happy that you're here. If you're new, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. So today is Friday, Easter weekend, Friday the 15th, April the 15th, which is also known as Good Friday. And as you can see behind me, I got some Easter baskets, like I told y'all in a couple of videos ago. If you haven't had a chance to watch those, I wanted to do my own Easter baskets. I don't really care for the ones they have in the store. Y'all forgive me in my hair. It is a backwards hat kind of day. It is what it is. All natural, in the flesh. It is what it is. But anyway, I kind of like to do my own Easter baskets. What I had a chance to do this year, I picked out all the candy with some other stuff that I wanted to do. I didn't get a chance to do, but I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of candy, and it's amazing how some of the candy has come up missing. But we won't call no names. Some of the candy has come up missing, because I know for sure I had a lot more candy than this. But anyway, I'll take y'all along in the process of how we got to this. I did, however, purchase Noah this basket here, which I'll also show y'all. This one was, I think, $11.98 at Walmart. This one, and I added some other things to it. I added some more candy to it because, as you know, they really don't put a lot of stuff in there. I think that one came with a truck or something and a few little candy pieces, which is not really a lot. I didn't get the football. He had several footballs already, but I did add some of the candy in that basket. But yeah, so if you're looking to do like a little small, it doesn't have to be drastic. Y'all would be surprised at what you can pull together. I mean, look at this. Here's one, for example. It doesn't take a whole lot. But I will take y'all on the process of how I got to this. Look at all that stuff in there, y'all. And it looks good. This is my basket, as you can tell. The only pink one in the house. All right. And y'all let me know if y'all like these. Oh my goodness. Sabritas. I can't be the only one that eat these. Y'all let me know if y'all hip to Sabritas. But yeah, let's go along on the process of how they were made. Alrighty, guys. Okay, guys, so far, this is what I have. And if you had a chance to look at the last video, you had a chance to see everything that I picked up at Target. And this is what we have left, right? Now, I told Noah, please do not touch my candy. Well, as you can see, it looks like majority of it is gone. But I'm gonna add to it. And then I have some other baskets here. I'm gonna add in candy and a couple of fillers. But yeah, I got jelly bean eggs. Not eggs. Jelly bean scented grass, which I probably shouldn't have gotten because I don't want it all over the floor. I have the cups. We're gonna dye some eggs. Those are the colors in there. And we also have the Reese's peanut butter cups, the eggs for those. And then a couple of these, I'll probably add some candy in. Sour Patch, Nerds, Hershey's, Skittles, Reese's Pieces eggs. We also have the Peeps on deck, Reese's, M&M's, and then I'm gonna add in a couple of these cookies and fruit snacks. My mom used to love lilies, and every year she would have them. So I got one of those as well. Alrighty, let's get to packing and making these baskets, honey. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day.
From the city, it's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that Yes, I'ma feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Let's see the sun and have some fun. I'm so tired of living life in gray, babe. And you deserve to see the world. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. Anywhere's home when you're with me. Come and take a seat next to me, babe. Let this pretty view take your breath away. Baby, we deserve a break from our old ways. 'Cause I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you, paradise.
thumbs up it. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope you will consider doing so. I will see you all in the next video.